TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 72. You get the NASDAQ up 2. S&Ps are up 3.5. Gold contract down $6.20, trading at $11.79. You have silver down 22 cents, $16.62 an ounce. Platinum is down 10 at $9.68. You have the copper market flat at $2.61 a pound. Light sweet crude trading right now at $51.42 a barrel, up 60 cents. We have the oil numbers out this morning at 10:30. Notes, the 10-year note down 4 ticks, 124.20. 30-year bond off 6 ticks, 152.11. Now, both the notes and the bonds, folks, pretty amazing, actually. They refuse to back down. They're still saying they want higher price, lower yields, which is pretty amazing when we're talking about a market that continues to go higher. Yesterday had the Dow up $70, and they still wouldn't back off. What that's saying to me is that as we go through this trading day, you're going to see this market give it up once again. King dollar. King dollar's up 739 ticks. We're trading at 102.745. We have the euro trading at 104, and the yen is at 116.66. If we go over and take a look at the SPY, what you're looking at is this. SPY out here is trading at a price point of 226.78. You went sideways yesterday. You gave it up on price. We were going into a volume day of, 142 million. You did all of 63 million, and it couldn't hold higher price. I don't expect we're going to hold it out here today either. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. What we had with the Dow out here yesterday, Dow got up to the price point yesterday of the 19,957. We're at 19,920. I expect you're going to see that also back off. What is a little bit unusual out here today is that the Dow is actually stronger than the NDX 100 or the NASDAQ composite. The bottom line, I expect both are going to back off. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here this morning is down 650. We have done 111,000 contracts, so that's good contract volume on this pullback. It's still lighter than what we're going into because we're going into the big sign of strength that was generated out here on the 5th of January. That's where the low was 1163. The high was 1185, and we had done 272,000 contracts. We're not going to do 272,000 contracts out here, folks. Bonds, the 10-year bond, well, 10-year note, rather. This is what we have with the notes. Notes and bonds continue to say this market, S&P meaning, wants lower price. Bonds continue to want higher price. It's pretty amazing, actually, out here this morning. This is the 4th day in a row that these absolutely are rejecting lower price. And that's after having a huge sign of strength last week on January 5th. So what we have is this. You're back 3 ticks on the 10-year. You're at 124. This looks like it wants to run to 127. We go to the 30-year. 30-year is set up the exact same way. What you have is that you have the 30-year trading at 152.14. You've done 67,000 contracts. You're coming into the same January 5th sign of strength. Huge day. Bottom line, 30-year wants 155.13. And we go over to King dollar. King dollar yesterday rejected lower price. It did have lighter volume. And the number to keep your eye on today with King dollar is this. We have 15,000 contracts. You're up 730 ticks. Now, that's light volume, folks. And you're coming into the downdraft that was created out here, the high volume downdraft of 60,000 contracts. The number to keep your eye on is 102.500. Right now, you're 200 ticks over that level. What I do expect you're going to see as we start coming up to the 11 o'clock first press conference that President-elect Trump is going to have, you're going to see volatility pick up in this market. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking now right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.